If you're encountering a video playback error on Coursera for Business, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause video playback issues. Try resetting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve many playback issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data and select cache and cookies. Restart the browser afterward. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure that your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the video playback features on Coursera. Check for updates and install the latest version of your browser. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Coursera from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the video playback error on Coursera for Business. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Coursera support for further assistance.